My world. This is Emma. She is 13 years old. Emma has got long, straight brown hair and brown eyes. She is short and slim. Emma is starting at a new school. Let's see the people she meets on her first few days. Today, Emma is wearing a green hoodie and blue jeans. Emma is shy, but she is excited about meeting her new classmates. This is Kate. She's tall with straight blonde hair. She's got glasses and she's wearing a stripey blouse and a blue cardigan. She's very friendly and talks to Emma straight away. Kevin is in Emma's class at school. He's wearing a stripey hoodie and he's got curly black hair. Mr. Jones is Emma's history teacher. He's really tall with short dark hair. He wears a smart shirt and trousers to work every day. And that's Alex. He's short and he's got fair hair. He's very quiet. Today he's wearing a checkered shirt. Emma meets Jane on her third day at the school. Jane has got wavy blonde hair and blue eyes. Jane's very confident, so she enjoys giving presentations in class. After school, Emma does her homework. That's her mum in the kitchen. She's wearing a black top, blue jeans and an apron. Do you think Emma looks like her mum? What do your friends look like? What clothes do they usually wear?